This is going to be the meeting room elevator at the Hard Rock Hotel in Daytona Beach, Florida. This one is non-Otis. I don't know what brand it is, but this used to be the Desert Inn, and this one appears to be modded. Interesting lantern. There's your door equipment and interlock. We're gonna go up to 2. I think this is a LULA temporary permit. So yeah, this must be a recent mod. I'm thinking this is a LULA. Here we go. Here's some of the meeting rooms up here. Alright, let's go down to 1. This thing is slow, obviously. Here's a view of the cab. Really basic cab. Yeah, this is pretty much a LULA. And here we are. And there it goes. And that's gonna be it.